Hello guys, what are you doing? My name is Kushag Ranvekar and welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna play Among Us. It's a very famous game nowadays. Actually it launched in 2018, but now it is getting popular so much. So now let's play online. My name is Shinchan. You just became an imposter, I'll explain you the whole game. I'm such a bad teacher. See, there are 9 to 10 or 4 to 10 players we can play, and there is 1 to 3 imposters who kill each other, means who kill the crew members. There are crew members who fix the ship, or in other maps they do tasks. Before the imposter kills, the crew member should vote the imposter out or finish the tasks. If one person finishes the task is not okay. All the crew members should finish the tasks. So wait, what tasks I have? Let me go to closest. What? Communication? No. What is happening? So if this happens, like reactor is melting down, or the O2 or the oxygen is not coming, the imposter, that we can sabotage also. Like there are electrical, like we can sabotage electrical, means we can close the gate of electrical, but it cannot be closed forever. We should it will close like 5 to 6 seconds. So I will write where yellow, orange. Okay, I will vote yellow. And okay, yellow got the most votes, and if he is the imposter, only one imposter is left. Okay, this guy was an imposter, and I sus orange right now. I sus orange, and he has in electrical 2 sabotages are there. One close the door, and one we can close, means off the lights. If we cannot fix the lights, wait, orange is there, no, cyan is there. Let me see who is left. Oh, electrical. If you remember the color which went in, so tell me in the comment section. I think it was orange. No, he left. I think it was blue. I'll write blue. It's blue, I think. If you know the color which went in before cyan, just comment me, okay? The voted has tied, so no one was ejected. Means no one is. We kick no one out of the ship, means. And I have no tasks. Now let us see what happens. No one sabotaged. Just me. How many times? What? We can also take someone from here, or we can ban someone. Let's vote green. Green. was an imposter. Yeah. The crew members won. If victory. Now let's wait for others and let's write starter. Okay, start. And now the player will start. We can also customize the colors from here. I'll take lime. Yeah? No, green. This is green. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What? Starting in 0. I think my net. What? I disconnected from the server. Seriously. Let's join the other map. So finally, after a long time, we have joined a game. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Not hello, hello. Hello. What? Leave the game. Leave the game. Whoever online classes are going on. What? Classes is a bad word. What? Please, imposter. Imposter. Now it's time. Now me and my friend, what is his name? Where is he? Berliner, no. Wait, let me sabotage something. Let me sabotage reactors. Yes, reactor normal. This I should kill all the crewmates with the help of this guy. I am kicking out my own friend. Okay? Because he killed. No, I killed, but for my safety. Not me. Not. I forgot to report. Seriously, guys, I'm innocent in your dream. Not me, not me. Frida, what? What black? What black? What? Sure. Oh no! No. That. I just became the imposter and I died. Let's sabotage everything. We'll sabotage everything. No one will go here to there. Everyone are stuck. So I'm gonna leave this match. Where am I going? Leave. Just leave the game. Leave. Okay, finally. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.